Yeah.
Yo, you early today, man. You early, man.
What you mean?
It's 12 o'clock.
I know in the OK Corral.
Pittsburgh blowing out Minnesota today. I'm surprised Whitney woke after that party last night at the reunion, man. Thought she might be asleep still.
Stop it. You know I ain't go to that.
Boy, why you starting?
What reunion?
Our 20th year class reunion.
Who?
Our 20th class reunion. High school.
Oh, okay, okay. Why you ain't go?
And say what?
ICT 2022 mentorship.
Nah.
Man, niggas ain't trying to hear that.
Here goes this nigga. Oh,
Yeah,
man.
man, I had to coach somebody up yesterday about that. A Uber dude, man. Young cat, he say he about 29, no kids, no wife. I say, yeah. See, yeah, man, I'm thinking about getting a passport, but I don't know where to go. So I had to give some pointers on that. And then some kind of way we got to talk about the market and put him up on game. Now, what he do with it? Yeah, I don't know.
Up there.
It's up to him. Got my ass out the Uber and went on my way.
my mission almost done. Almost done. Almost done. Then I can play. Almost done. he like almost at the finish line, almost there.
Mhm.
It's like running the 100. I'm at the last 20 meters.
Been strong.
Right. I got finish like Noah Lyles, man. Let's start. Gold. Amazing. Silver and gold. For the ladies out there, if your man asks you what you want, tell him you want gold. And just keep going up. Ain't no retrace. Woo, almost 0.5. 38.56. Almost there. Gold's bullish. This is all-time high. Daily perspective on gold.
High, low, higher, high again coming.
Gold sitting right in the pocket. Right in the pocket.
Get something like this, then
Uh-huh.
they might start trying to come on down to hit this gap in front of him or go in there.
Uh-huh. Gold looking like all-time high real soon.
Shit, this week, probably.
Yep, again. Keep on going higher and higher. At the daily gap, that is it ain't filled yet.
It's sweet chart. I can squeeze over,
A whole bunch of consolidation. They consolidated for weeks. Then it shut up. Nah, they ain't done.
Nah, like I said, it's all this in where I see it like this. Then you go up for expansion. But I'm curious to see if we're gonna get higher than come
Right.
around and do this. You know what I'm saying? Well, oh, that'll be the 0.5 was up here somewhere, right?
Yep. Oh, hold on.
Won't you mark that 0.5 line?
I got you.
I'll mark both of them.
Yeah, because this is a 0.5, 58.2. Yeah, 3,900. Shit. 3,900 an ounce. Daily. High and low. 4 hour. Hey, remember we was talking about this on Friday? Like all I wanted was a gas to be made. There you go. As he would say, hey, yo, boy, put your fib on it. Because he looking at, here you go, E. That's all you.
Yeah, if she gonna turn around, she gotta turn around now. But see, My gold analogy. We, we bullish on gold. Dig into that 4 hour bullish gap just now. Let's go. Look at silver. God damn. Yeah. It didn't even give a move here because I was looking up here. Like, unless you try it. Yeah. Still reaching. But like a monthly. Yo, E, man, it's outside. It's a monthly level. the longer the base,
Shit.
the higher in space. Look how long that base is. How many months that is, bro? Up in here. Like a year?
Shit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Jeez.
Let him cook.
I don't look from a yearly perspective. 1, 2, 3, 4 years down here. I know people that had go probably had gold. They loving it. They ain't double their money. It goes bullish. I mean, silver's bullish on that. Silver bullish. Weekly. Look at the daily. Jeez.
It's given.
Yeah.
Wow.
Daily. Right. Hey, that's what you want to see when you bullish. Hey, ain't no retrace.
What a year consolidation gets you.
Get the fuck up out. Here, push up, come back, retrace, higher. Low retrace, higher.
Like, yeah, he said that's not even 50% retrade. That's
Right. From here to here.
tap the gap. That's like maybe 20 to 30%.
See, and hey, when stuff does that like that, that means for me, that tells me that you ultra bullish. I ain't gonna get no discount. I would like
Right.
4 hour perspective. Okay.
Now you gonna have a gap.
Yeah, you
Gonna
got
open up, might open up in the gap.
right, and then flip. Yeah. How did that play look that we took yet? Gold. Silver. See how I look at. We just took it
The
at
morning,
9 o'clock. Yeah. Oh, look at that.
I see a buy model. I see that W.
Yeah, and we and
See,
we
I'm
took it.
gonna show you what to tell that. Right there. Right there. You see how it closed above this?
Yep.
The market structure shift to the upside. Then all you need is to retrace. And that's 79. That's white meat.
That white meat.
Guarantee that.
That white meat. Because we got it on the 30. No, on the 15, 30.
That's 70% retrace. Well, really 79.
Oh.
But it
Hmm.
ain't getting that on that other side.
None of the other side.
No.
Nope.
Wait. Let me see. Yeah, no, it ain't no gap right now.
Nope. They ain't give you nothing.
No, right now.
Yeah. That's a gap there. But
Well,
it closed right here.
no, I'm talking about bullish. No, I don't think that's bullish.
Nope. Mm-mm.
Especially,
Nope. Not
nah,
even a
nah,
gap.
nah. On
Uh-uh.
lower time frame, it's
Right.
15 seconds is one. And that, like I said, man, that be the difference.
Yep.
One time frame down. You see what you're looking for. There you go.
There you go.
Right now.
Inside the
Right,
macro.
right now. Well,
Shit, I'll look at it right here.
oh, no, ain't no gap. Wait, is that a gap?
That's a VI, but that's a
Yeah, but
gap.
if you got the market structure shift right here in the retrace,
Yeah.
if you want this the right side, but is there a space like right in there?
Oh, oh, I would have been in right here. Right there. When this candle close, I'm in right here. Stop loss below here. Shouldn't go below here.
That'd be the difference between getting in and don't getting in and getting left. And like you said, you just have to understand what you looking for, and it don't really what time frame you see it on. If it's tough,
There.
Just want to see it to justify getting in it.
Right.
Now, if you don't see nothing on no time frame, you can't justify it. It ain't, it ain't there. Or it's just not there for you. Like, well, if I don't see it on the 1 minute, let me go down to the 30 and see if it's sitting down. Oh, there you go. There go my setup. And not a lot of times it comes with a smaller stop loss.
Oh, definitely.
So that's why I'm saying, like, when I get in trades, I don't always go full clip every time. Man, no. Sometimes if I see it and I feel comfortable, my minimum is 3. I don't give a damn what's going on. I'm gonna put 3. But from that point, if it show me something that's minimal, it's a low risk buy or a low risk sell. It's low risk, relatively speaking. And if it gives you what you're looking for, it's gonna give you another chance to put something on it.
Yep. This shit trash. We've been at Saturday since June. Trash, man. That's why I don't go over this shit no more.
Just took that.
Yep. Trash.
Okay, that's a smart shift.
Trash. Trash. That shit trash, man. Hey, like I said, it's other things that move. Well, I am.
She ain't nowhere near as high as the other two.
Nope.
Relative to that swing that they just took back.
Right. Nowhere near
NQ up or something. Well,
in the sky. Deluxe apartment in the sky high.
But I think NQ was the one that dug the deepest too, when they did their retrace back in February to April.
Yep. Always. But for me looking at the YM, from a weekly perspective, I don't know. There's nothing where I can say, well, it come down to this gap. No, it's nothing. Because up here it's all time high. Now let me look at the daily. Is the daily telling me something?
Not yet.
Nope. It just dug into that
Well,
daily.
yeah. Well, I mean, them ain't
We had the gap Friday. Took up pretty high.
no, them ain't swings. Close it below.
Right. Mark
Yeah.
off my previous high.
See. Would you consider that to be an intermittent swing right now in the middle?
Right here.
Over a little bit more. Right. It's the one with the wick. All right.
Could be, but I would need personally need more.
Probably go down to another time frame. It's probably going to be more detailed.
Right.
On the
So
4 hour.
this is a daily. Now I look at the 4 hour.
Yeah, see. That's a confirmed market structure shift to the downside.
Right. Shit. It was a shift here.
Right, that's what I'm saying.
So for me, it's like, okay, so
Well, I probably wouldn't have took that one.
no. Weekly, when we took out all time high last week, 4 hour, 4 hour shift was on this candle. Came back up into it, start running lower. Lower here. We didn't take out this wick yet.
Yeah. See, I'd have felt more comfortable taking this one than this one.
Woo!
Because you got it down, that could be an OTE go back up to me, in my eyes. But then once this closed down below this one, that's an official market structure shift for sure.
Right.
So then you get this little retrace right here, off from here to here.
Uh-huh.
Put your stop above there. Shouldn't touch it.
Mhm.
You can target here, and look what NK did up in there.
Uh-huh.
You try to get that wick down there,
Like
boy.
that way.
Yeah, your ass a razzle dazzle.
But for me, yeah, I'm looking. I would like to put it come lower. Yeah, cover this wick and because me maybe cut to take our previous week low. That's the only I'm looking up. I'm looking bullish, or it's gonna have to shift higher on this time frame. What's this range? I mean, what's this?
Quite fit.
Day zero. Oof, didn't even come up 50%.
That one didn't even. Next one didn't even.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
I definitely wouldn't target this low if I was in that trade. I wouldn't have targeted that wick low. No
Yeah,
sir.
no.
Because I know it's some shit in that wick.
Right.
Like
Something
I might have
here.
targeted 50% of that wick
Right.
and been happy. You trying to go for the all the way to the bottom, man. Sight.
Only time that happens is when they aggressively stun this bitch off in a
Mhm.
day.
Right.
Let me look at ES. ESZ. Okay, ain't that over here.
Personally, I think we might have one more high in NASDAQ and then some down move. I don't know. But we might already be. Because I think we had an inside day Friday. Not
Yeah.
mistaken.
Yep.
So he finna get some action.
See, and like, okay, so weekly took out all time high. 4 hour shift was here.
Want to see that's good. Uh,
Yeah, 4 hour shift was there. Now we right back at it.
you want to sell it down once it close below there. If you wait, here's your retrace. And then you target either all this. Say got to that week, half of the week, turn around.
Yep.
Inside.
Inside peanut butter, outside jelly.
Yep. So when it push up, there's still some bearish gap here. And then a whole bunch of them here. But if it push down, ain't no gap until here.
Yeah, and even, me personally, I would want them to take it lower, cover his wick because I'm not looking up until we take that up because that'd be a weekly. I'm looking for the weekly low we taking, and then a 4 hour bullish CID to go higher. Yeah, I'm not looking up. What the kind of let me see.
I see the game plan shaping up about the whole might shut down the government. You
Yeah,
know, That's
Ain't no news. Ain't no news until Tuesday.
that's how you get a retrace. Oh,
Yeah,
shut the government down for a month, a month and a half. People get furloughed.
basically a fucking vacation because you gonna pay when they come back.
Yeah. We're gonna retro them.
Yep. Yeah. I would like for it to come down before I make a new all-time high. Let's go NQ.
Well, you just gonna disregard the other one?
Oh, the baby.
I thought I was gonna say, well, maybe he thinking that shit, that shit in premium. Man. Hey, go get it.
Oh shit. It's still gonna bounce there.
Right. That's the only reason why I say we could make another high. But we'll see. That lower time frame give you more information. It ain't gaps. Push off for it ain't no gap. Is there a gap going up? Yeah, that's what I was trying to see if that was a gap. Nope. 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 Up until up, not until now.
There's a gap below that one.
Yeah, on the 4 hour. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see that. What you got beneath it? Nothing to go push up. Huh? Right. That's what I see. That's what I see. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm thinking October gonna give us some kind of down move. That's what I'm thinking. And then you come, you flip, and then yeah, I think we can run for the rest of the year. So, what you want to do? For those that want to look for some leaps or whatever. Check out all whatever stock you got, and try to see what your discount retrace would be off of that. And if it just happened to come down and touch it,
Time to buy.
be okay with getting it. Just you ain't gotta throw the whole boat at it. But if it come into a discount territory, at least you ain't buying that shit at the high like we used to. You know what I mean?
All right. I think that's it for today.
Yeah,
Anybody got
that show
questions?
looking like a head and shoulders.
All right. Anybody got any questions? Oh, this is a hell of a base to even think. It's like maybe down here, but
I said worst case scenario, I think we hit the OB. Like I don't even think we go that far.
right.
Right up at him.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because the way I'm looking at it, it's probably gonna be just a month retreat.
Oh, somebody got a question. Thoughts on natural gas?
Go to higher time frame. Don't start there. Oh, you on the weekly? Okay. Try the
Don't
month
start.
first.
Don't start there.
All right. She hit some fresh liquidity on the monthly.
And on the yearly.
Okay.
And on the yearly.
Okay. Run that field right on. Oh, she already took that out. Never mind. What she didn't take? She didn't take no swing though.
Nope.
Well,
All yeah.
I don't know.
See?
I ain't got enough of that. Not on that time frame. Go lower. Let's see what we got. Okay, we down up in here. Up in here all the way across.
We consolidated.
Right. We hit that. We went up in here. Get the volume and balance. Came down and stopped. Okay. Let's see what the next time frame got for us. That could be a low, higher low. Okay.
As my dude Bubba Dell would say,
Trash. I know you you come.
trash.
What I don't like about this is it came up here, came down, then it made a higher high, and then closed below this. So now you're dealing with this gap, but they about to go past that. So now it's probably going to push up into here.
Yep.
And it could come back down or going up and they go for this.
Yeah, that's the next level.
Right.
You look like this. Low, retrace, give you nothing. Okay, went lower. Now you need someone on the right side to send up to take out at least this. And this will complete the buy model.
From this range. That range.
Yep.
You could get something like that. Or they can push right up into that gap. Reject
Drop.
and drop draws. So it's kind of like I ain't got no answer for you on that one right now. Not based off the daily. Go to 4 hour. See, maybe we can get a better assessment on that. Play at your own risk. It ain't really. It's
only thing I see is low challenge over here. Give me a lower low. I would have been looking at this. My IFVG.
Right.
Low, fail low. I'd have been in here. Stop loss below here. I'd be looking at this right here because for me, this gap already filled. So I'd have been out on this candle. 1 and 2, yeah, gave me enough.
I'd have targeted OB.
Wait, way up here?
Somewhere up there.
Yep.
Because on the way back up, I would have targeted that. Because I know it can come back when it hit it. But
And then now, what
this
happened?
was tricky too, man.
Yeah, because it came back down. For me, I want it
Come back
either. No, for me, it's either got to do one or two things. Either it's going to give me a lower low, or it's going to go and give me the gap to go higher, or fail. Annotate. So for me, I want this to show me that this gap is active. So it hit it. Okay, cool. Give me another gap to go higher. Cause now I can put my stop loss below this low right here, or run this and give me a gap, and I go higher. That's the only two setups I use now. Only two. Only two. Hey, yo, Junior,
Yeah,
do you understand that?
yeah. But see,
Right.
the way that I see it is that with that down close candle closing that gap as much as it did with the body, I would think that she's gonna come back down and go down.
Yeah, but if that's the case, then she would have did it. I'm just looking at, okay, what's she doing next? If she give me a bullish 4-hour candle with a gap, as long as she don't run up and take out all this, if she don't hit this gap, I'm cool. She hit that gap, I don't want it.
I don't know. I think in order to give you the gap, she's gonna run up and have to take that.
Well, if you want the gap, you're gonna want the gap before this swing get to it.
Right.
You want it before this one.
Yep.
Right.
You probably want it over here somewhere.
Right.
And then go for that swing.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Because if it go up there and hit that first, and then you see some action, it's probably gonna come back down.
Come back down.
Right.
Just ideally, you would want to see it.
Yeah, you'd want to see the gap before that swing.
Right. Because it technically ain't took no swing. Once it came down here, it went back up, but it didn't take no swing. It just turned around and came back down. So
Right.
if it is going back up, this is your next target.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's either this right here. Oh shit! This time, one or two. That's the game plan. And look where it's at. If you run a field from here to here, it's
50%.
it's smack dab in the middle. That's how they park it on the weekend. Just to not tip their hands sometimes.
This the last week of the quarter. Last week. After this week, it's gonna be start the fourth quarter. Money making time. Let me see. We got 14 people on here, 14 on YouTube. Anybody got any questions? Did everybody make money Friday off that amazing Zoom we had on Friday?
I was too late to the party. I ain't making any money.
Man, Friday was legendary, man. I'm talking about, man. I felt like a
Go back to
kid.
that. Go back to
Huh?
that. Go back to it.
I got you. I got you. Friday, Friday was legendary, man. It was made. He said made a little something, something. Friday, Friday, you could have made it everything you wanted and some on Friday. You could have made money off the 8:30 news. Could have made money off 9:50 move.
You could have made it after 9:30 too.
Yeah, that's what I did.
What your time's at?
Man, I don't know.
You know what, man? Is it just gold or is it just that window?
It's just that window. It's crazy because look, I don't understand that. It didn't do that. Hold on, let me go in here. GC. There you go.
You could have took this high, shift, retrace. You could have took that. Put that back up. Take out that. Then it flip. Came down as a white meat.
White meat.
Went back up. Came back to 50%. This is the one we missed.
Yeah, because I don't trade the 850 macro. As the only way.
I was waiting out here and like I wanted to come down a little bit more. Said nope. I'm gone. We was on the 31. On the 30 second.
Yep. The 30-second chart.
Mm-hmm. That was it. It was this gap right here that we was looking at. And they said, nah.
And then it gave you a ship at 9 o'clock.
Oh.
And then it said, gone.
It said, all right, I'm finna go up. Who want to get in?
Yep.
You sure you still want to hold it? You sure you want to hold it? All right, I'm gone.
Then we had this one at 9:50. At 9:30, drop down.
That's when Amir showed up.
Right. And he asked about this. And I told him, like, this is a low, yeah. But I no longer take this. I either want the low to show me either a lower low or give me a gap off of this. Because before I would always get smacked because I'd be too early. So it gotta show me low, lower low, or low, and then the gap above. When it did this, that's our move.
Right side.
Right side.
Low, fell, low, gap.
Yeah. Now I put my stop below here. It should go below here.
And your target should have been at the least right here.
Yeah, that's where I got out of it.
That's low hanging fruit.
Low hanging fruit. Over $1,200.
Yeah.
And then it did what? It hit the gap. Get your low, lower low. Get your gap, went up, drop back down. This area too.
No, thank you. No, thank you. Oh, want nothing to do with that.
Low, then it go. Take out this high.
Yeah, don't give you no entry on the right side. Let's just go.
Yeah.
Skipping shit.
Hey man, hey, Friday was a legendary day, man. Because just to complete the model. Let's complete the model. Legendary, man. Legendary, man. Woo!
I bought it.
Woo! What a fucking day Friday was.
So you that 930 was the market structure shift to the upside.
Yep.
So this was a halfway point. That's where it shifted from the sell side down. And then you got this closure above all this structure over here. Market structure shift, retrace. This is the target. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Hey man. Hopefully y'all ask questions this week, man, because we go into that fourth quarter, man. We go into that Lions Den quarter.
Yeah, don't wait till you get off Zoom, start asking questions in DMs. Come on to Zoom, ask your question. If we don't know. Because some of the questions that y'all ask are nuanced. And then it's kind of hard to explain that via text. Or you're going to be typing for a while versus it's much easier to just tell you or even show you on the Zoom. So don't. Some of y'all are camera shy or Zoom shy.
No.
Don't do that. Come on the Zoom, man. Ain't nobody gonna knock your head off, man. We talk shit sometimes and joke, but we want to make sure everybody get their questions answered because we want you to be in the back not answering questions, not asking questions and struggling. You know what I mean?
You don't want to be that close to greatness and you miss because you don't want to ask your question.
Closed mouths don't get fed.
Closed mouth don't get fed.
We all been on here for a long time. How long we been on here? 3 years now? Pretty much.
Longer than that. Shit. Too long.
I mean, I talk to y'all more I talk to my kinfolk. You know what I mean?
The only dumb question is the one that's not asked.
Right.
I'll be damned if somebody if
got some information you ain't gonna ask to get it. Right.
Right.
You can talk about my mama. I'm still gonna answer the question. Mama be all right.
Right.
I need this info. You know what I mean?
Because many people of color ain't gonna do or even other colors ain't gonna help you the way we will. Like you say,
and for free.
we might talk shit about it, but it is what it is.
That's your fee.
Right.
Let's talk shit.
If somebody can get you to your walk away millions of dollars in the market, man, fuck my pride. Hey, I put my pride to the side long time ago.
Yeah.
Like I always tell you guys.
Y'all see when Ant get on my ass on Zoom. You know what I mean? I ain't saying if I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
What I want you guys to understand is it is 6 and 7 figure people in FW coming out of this market. And it's just from the basic information that we go over every day. 6 and 7 figures monthly out this market from people in FW for just simple stuff in this market. There is no secret at all. No secret sauce, no secret indicator, nothing. 6 and 7 figure people in FW monthly in this market. Like I'm gonna tell you guys, like, don't squander this opportunity. Like I say, it comes once in a lifetime, and it's rare that our people have a for our people like this. That's all I'm gonna say. All right.
Yeah, just think about it. I mean, we all here for a reason. You know how much stuff had to happen for all of us to be here at this point in time? It's for a reason.
How do you forget all the shit, the stuff, and focus on one strategy? Huh? That's easy. It's like it's easy to do that. Once once you start to see stuff happens over and over and over again, man. Like when Ian never get on me like, boy, don't you see that B word? Nope, don't see that. Nope. Because I have learned that all I need is 3 patterns. All I need is 3 candles to show me a gap, and I'm in there like swimwear. That's all I need. I ain't worried about it's a breaker. It's all I ain't worried about that. Nope. Do I see it? Yeah. Do I understand it? Yeah. But the less I try to worry about helps me to not worry about that when I get into a trade. Oh shit, it might come in there and hit that breaker, or it might come and hit that rejection. But no, I'm not worried about that. Nope. I'm going from this gap to that gap or that high. That's it. That's it. The more you know, the less you earn. And I bet you it's some of y'all probably even trying to figure out that new ICT study coming out with. For what? The more you learn, the less you earn. If you keep on learning, when you go execute? 2000 never worry?
Don't be a career student.
Right. Yeah, I know all 1,000 ICT PD arrays. Okay, how much money can you make off of them? Well, I just gotta figure out which one that works for me. Nope, too late. Too late.
Like, this is what we look for. This is like you say, you can write a setup on the back of
Business card.
a business card. So this boy is set up in mine pretty much too. Low. Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Or
IPG. Yep. Fail low. Yep.
yeah. Or
Yep. IPG. That's it. That's it.
and if you're bearish, flip it.
Yep.
That's it.
I know people say, but boy, what if we sell it down? What are you look for? Same thing. Don't not change. I only go one direction. It is easier to master one direction than master two. I told you guys over and over again. I've only personally one person master both. That could literally buy it here, sell it here, sell it here, buy it here. I only see one person that can do that. That's it. It takes too much mental capacity to do that. So for me, I just say, if we set it up all day, I just wait. 750, 930, 950, or 1050 macro. That's it. That's it. Do I see the PM session moves? Yeah, but I'm usually in the living room watching TV. Like, you gotta ask yourself, are you gonna be a bodega or a Wawa? You gotta ask yourself.
Shit, both of them over 24/7. Boutique. You meant boutique, must be.
Yeah.
You said bodega and Wawa. Shit, both of them boy out there. So go get that chopped cheese.
The chopped cheese.
Yeah, the Aki way.
But like I'll tell you guys, man, whatever you want in life, whatever number you're thinking too small, because I've seen people personally take 6 and 7 figures monthly out this market. NFW.
You think it's small.
You think it's
You
small.
need to be thinking big.
You thinking big.
Hey,
You think it's
bitch.
small.
Think big, bitch.
Yeah. You think it's small.
That mean But like, to be honest with you, I don't even know what my goal is. I don't know.
If the
Because
goal
every
don't
time I
spin,
try to make
too
one,
small.
it moves.
Right. It moves. Moves.
So I'm just saying, I'm just gonna keep trading till I get to the point where I say I'm good.
Hey, that's why I'm always getting on Deontay and them about like you come into this market every day. I don't come on here to make $50, $100. I don't. I don't. If when I get into a trade, if I can't make 4 or 5 figures in that trade, then the trade ain't for me. The name of the game isn't to take 100 trades to make $100. If you have back tested and know your strategy like the back of your hand, and you know that if you take 10 trades, it's going to hit more than
8,
5, 8.
man, it should be 8 to 10, 8 or 9, maybe 10.
Why the hell you risking $100? Well, boy, I got a 50K, and then it got the trillion on it. Man, that's a bunch of fucking excuses, man. My mama told me excuses like assholes. We all got them. If you know your A plus setup, like the back of your head, and you take 10 trades and you win 8 out of 10,
That ain't
and you
A
got
plus.
right, and you said, well, boy, I just got a new PA. I can only risk this amount of money. Man, you telling me a bunch of fucking excuses, man. They're the same excuses my kids tell me when I ask them to do something. If you know your A plus setup hits 8 out of 10 times, why are you only risking $100? Why are you only risking $200? Why are you only risking $300? Why are you only risking $400? Why are you only risking $500? Because it ain't your A plus then. Well, boy, they got the trailing, and then at the 2,000, I can blow that account. Okay, what's 2,000? Okay, if your A
Like,
plus
let's do
hit
the math. Let's do the math.
right,
Let's do the math. So let's say you got a 50K account, right?
okay,
50K account, you need a $3,000 target. You got a $2,000 stop loss,
okay.
right? So you take 10 trades.
Yep.
Okay, so you say you have a tried and true A plus with 80%, 8 out of 10 times. So what's that? How you break that down? 10 trades with a $3,000 target.
That's $300.
Okay.
So you risking $300 each trade.
Well, really, I guess we should be the target. Should it be the target or the stop loss?
No, stop loss. Stop loss.
Okay, stop loss.
Because I
So
mean
stop
you
loss
got
2,000.
no 300. That's your you risking $300 in a trade. You should be at least going for 1 to 2, 1 to 3. So I mean you're risking 300 to make either 600 or $900 a trade. So if your A plus hitting 8 out of 10 times, there's no reason. That means you only got to win 5, minimum 5, because that's a 1 to 2.
And you can lose how many?
10, and you blow up.
No, but see, that's what I'm saying. 10 is the target. 10 is 3,000. That's the target. The stop
Right.
loss is 2,000.
So
we got to
6.
break that. See how? So so that's 200 really. You should be risking 200 if you want 10 chances.
But if you know your A plus is 8 out of 10, no. I would say if I know my A plus hitting 8 out of 10 times, I'm cutting that in half. I'll probably be risking either 400 or $500 a trade. And that 400 gonna make me either 800 to 1,200, 1 to 2, 1 to 3,
Or
or
1,000 or 1,500.
$1,000 to $1,500. Because I say this is my A
I'm
plus.
sure ain't one contract. That's for sure.
Right. Ain't no one contract. And this is my A plus. I lose 2. Okay. I'm done for the day. That means I lost $1,000 maximum a day, or I lost $800. But if I win, I won $800.
If you
But the
lost
problem,
$1,000, so that means you down 50% of your stop loss, your drawdown, max drawdown. So
I'm cool with that. I shouldn't lose 4 in a row. I should not lose 4 in a row.
right, yeah.
If it's my A plus, tried and true that I have back tested and I know data, I should not lose 4 in a row. I shouldn't lose 3 in a row.
Right.
Like a lot of y'all are risk maybe 100, and then y'all make $200, $300. But then when y'all lose trades, y'all lose 1,000, 1,500, 2,000. So it's
Turn
like
around. Turn around. Steady digging.
steady digging. Steady digging.
Damn. I'm gonna get out. No. And don't mess around and have a trip.
Woof. But then it's like the fact that like you gotta understand, like you gotta believe in your setup. Believe. Like when Amir took this trade on the Zoom and YouTube Friday, he believed in the trade. And one thing I applaud about him is he didn't ask me. He didn't say, "Hey, Mr. Boyd, is this thing ever getting it?" He knew his setup. He executed. The only person that you should be asking when you get to a trade to the setup is yourself. Nobody else. Trading is so personal. A lot of y'all want vindication. Ain't no. Like ICT say, hold my hand, ICT. No, ain't no holding hands. Ain't no holding hands, man. We all individual. When you go to the bank, ain't nobody holding your hand when you are taking them millions out. Ain't no holding hands at FW, man. We don't hold hands, man. We get into the money, man. What's that talking about? OT Genesis. Let me see. I got that before we get out of here. Let me see.
Went to my go and get the money.
No, this one. Hold on. I think I got it.
Oh, everybody left.
Yeah.
Wait, before you turn on OT, what's the direction for NQ?
We getting to the money. Everybody make it.
What up, Chris?
For NQ, I know I'm late. What you say for NQ?
What you think?
I don't know. I'm not looking at the chart. I'm just looking at what's going on right now in front of me.
What you think? Going up or down?
Let's see. Yeah, you
All
break
right,
it down.
hold on.
Break it down.
Hold on. We look bullish on the 4-hour. We look bullish on the 4-hour.
Okay.
We look bullish on the daily after hitting closing that gap.
All right. What weekly?
Weekly, I mean, that could technically look like a swing high on a weekly.
So if
How
it's
many candles you need to find out?
Huh?
How many candles you need to find out?
But I need 3, so this week will confirm if that's going to be a swing high.
but also okay, if we take out all-time high,
Mm-hmm.
and then it's the 4-hour. The 4-hour gave you a bearish shift.
Right. So we
Right
still
here.
technically.
No, we bearish.
Wait, hold on. Why?
These
Is that
two
the
up,
last? Okay.
yeah, bearish CID 4-hour,
Mm-hmm.
and we haven't taken out any weekly lows yet.
Okay. So we bearish. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we are hard time frame bearish, and for me personally, and so we take out a weekly low. Either there's a weekly low here, or for me, I would need us to keep on pushing up higher and start breaking stuff because from the 4-hour perspective, we bearish.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Now that I see that 4 hour CID.
Yeah. We pray that Wednesday when on Zoom Wednesday. This is what we were waiting for to see how this candle was gonna close.
Mm-hmm.
When we closed Wednesday at 2 o'clock, we'll lower. And they came right back up into that gap.
And overnight it went up into it, right?
But then what did it touch that gap right there at the bottom?
No, that's the new one. That's the new one. It just made that last week.
Oh, okay.
So to me, for me to be bullish on NQ, I need more data. So I need either make another all-time high, or take out previous week low.
But you'll still be looking for bullish trades because there'll still be some bullish trades, though, right?
Correct. Yeah, but I know that they're high resistance too.
High resistance. Gotcha. Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Make too much money. Everybody mad. Same old nigga. Same old nigga with the fire. The same old nigga for the trap. Everybody hated on the Danny Bells right back. I just spent a whole lot of time on these. Never limit money cause you know jeez. I've been in my hometown playing with the key when the fell. Oh yeah, I believe. I know it's a whole lot of niggas that was hating. I know it's a whole lot of bitches that was taking. So I shut the niggas up, bitches feeling nuts. Always knew that I was sick, so I had to stay patient. Taking over summer, nigga, tell me what's the big. Are you still up a nigga? Tell me what it is. I'm paying no bills, paying no back, paying no heels. Goddamn, let a bitch leave. I'll see it's 20, 50, 20. If it ain't $250,000, fuck the whip. I don't want about to make this nigga sick to the stomach. I've been getting to the money. Everybody mad.
Hey, anybody got any questions before we got here? Last week of the quarter.
Well, what's the economic folder?
NFP week.
This week?
Yep.
Oh, sure. First on Wednesday, right?
Mm-hmm. News on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Boy, do you trade NFP week?
Water wet? I knew he was gonna say that.
Oh my gosh, y'all get on my nerves.
I hang around this man too much, man.
Water what? ICT pay your bills, Chris?
Remember, we're no longer beginner traders.
Beginner traders, right?
It don't matter what going on, we can trade it.
Is it certain stuff I don't trade probably in the week? Yeah,
there's certain times that are more ideal than others, but can you trade it? Yeah.
That PDH, is that an equal high with the other day or no?
Damn near.
Okay.
No, that's the same day.
Oh, that's the same day? Okay.
Yeah, Friday. Down there.
Okay.
We trade holidays, birthdays, Thanksgiving, Christmas. Hey. As long as the white man gonna give us his free money, he might well take it.
Go to the 15 minutes. So squeeze it north, east and west. Yeah, right. So squeeze a little bit more. And not squeeze it from the top a little bit. All right. Stretch it a little bit more. Right now, stop. All right. Let me see. I want to say this. My gut telling me we might make one more high. And the reason why I say that is because I'm looking at, if you're looking at a buy model, this is where it starts on this side. This is the sell side. You got smooth equal highs, relative equal highs over here. Then you got your drop, consolidation, drop, consolidation, then a final drop. Then you got, this is where institutions like to get in down here at the bottom. See all this going on here? Then it shifted up. All these lows right here, I'm part of me thinking that we may go back up here. Now, I think this is where we're gonna end up going earlier this week, possibly.
But also, you got that SMT down here, E.
Right. That's that. And this is what I'm saying. That's part of what I was getting at. That
Yeah.
SMT might have been the sign that we're no longer like the sell side is completed.
Right.
And now we may be working our way back up.
Because ES and YM took this level out, and Q didn't.
But I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
But isn't that a 15-minute CID, Foreman? Possible?
Depends on if we hit higher time for liquidity.
Okay.
SMT ain't just SMT. Remember, it has to have a narrative with it. I mean,
Go to
CID.
the 4 hour. Go back to the 4 hour. All right. So based on this,
It's bearish.
Gotta get up here.
All right, you gotta get there.
You gotta get up there.
Yeah.
And that's why I said, part of me feel like we might go up there.
You can say,
or it could be a high low, higher low, I mean lower low to go back down. That's like something's gonna break out earlier this week, so we'll know. If it go back down, we going lower.
Why wouldn't this be a possible 15-minute CID, Foreman?
For bullish or bearish?
Bearish.
Because then it would have to come all the way down here. It already did that. This is the highest up close candle. Hit the 4 hour gap here.
Oh, that's the highest one, not the other one, not the green one.
Nope.
Oh, okay. All right, got you. Never mind.
Gotcha.
I thought the green one was.
Being that we had that was an inside day, right?
Yep.
So some got to give.
Inside peanut butter, outside jelly. Brown scored.
But how it closed on the day
basically, you be looking at either this. Or this. One of them getting ran.
Yep. Early this week.
Look like it's more likely for it to run.
The high.
Go high, right.
Go up and hit a 4 hour. And we'll see, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. But, the liquidity is either above that or below that. Like you said, like boys say, it's very rare that you get back-to-back insides.
Yep. One of those get ran tomorrow.
Bet. Thanks, y'all.
No problem. We lie tomorrow. Last week of the quarter. Then it's demon time.